Alright, now here is something interesting which I wanted to discuss with you guys. If you remember, I discussed about the predictive back gestures feature in one of my previous videos where I showcased the brand new features on the Android 14 developer preview on Pixel devices, and this predictive back gesture feature is expected to come on many Android devices. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly this works, even though it is not completely implemented on the Pixel phones right now since it's in beta. However, this feature is already there on the iPhones. So you watch the video and let me know whether this feature will be of any use to you, if at all it drops on Samsung's One UI or any other phones that you own. Now here on this Pixel 6a, I have installed the developer preview of Android 14. This is the developer preview 2 and I have already enabled the predictive back gesture or the predictive back animations option in the developer option. And on this phone, at the moment, it is working on the settings menu only. As you can see, when I have opened any particular settings and when I swipe and hold before going to the previous page, I can actually see what is the previous page on which I'm going to land if I complete the swipe gesture. Which means before even swiping and going back to the previous page, I will get a preview of the previous page when I swipe and hold. This is called predictive back gesture or predictive back animations, which is in the experimental stage. Now, let's look at the iPhone. Let me just open settings. I will go to any of the settings here. Now I'll just use the back gestures. As you can see, I can clearly see the previous page where I'm going to land. Now on iPhones, this is not just available on the settings. This is also available on the third-party applications or on any other system applications. For example, let me just open messaging app and let me open a particular message. As you can see, I can just swipe from the left side to see the preview of the previous page. Now let me open Amazon app and open any particular product here. I can just swipe again to see the previous page. This has already been implemented on the iOS since a long time. Now apparently Google is going to implement the same feature on Android 14. The purpose of this video is to show you how the predictive back animations or predictive back gestures would work in the near future on Android phones or on Samsung Galaxy phones running on One UI. By the way, this predictive back animation toggle is already available on Android 13 under developer options on Samsung Galaxy phones. As you can see here, I'll just go to developer options and search for predictive back animations. Here it is. We have got predictive back animations toggle, but currently this is not working. Even though I have enabled it, I cannot see the preview of the previous page on the phone. Now I would like to understand from you guys whether this feature, the predictive back animation, is required. Is it going to help you in any way? Do drop a comment and let me know. Let's discuss in the comment section. That's about it. There are loads of interesting contents on the channel. Go ahead and check it out. And when you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video interesting. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.